Long ago, there was a young woman named Emma. She grew up in a small town, watching her mother struggle to make ends meet. Emma promised herself that she would never live a life of hardship. She would chase her dreams, reach for the stars, and live a life full of comfort and success. Emma was beautiful, smart, and ambitious. In college, she met James, a kind and honest young man. He had little wealth, but he had a heart that was pure, a soul that cared deeply, and he made Emma feel safe and loved. They spent countless days together, laughing, sharing dreams, and imagining a future. Emma felt a warmth she had never felt before. But life has a way of testing the choices we make. One day, Emma received an offer from a prestigious company abroad. The internship promised a life of luxury, a high salary, an upscale apartment, travel, and connections that could shape her career. At first, she felt excitement and pride. This was the life she had always dreamed of. But with it came a difficult choice. Stay with James, the one who loved her genuinely, or leave for wealth and comfort? Emma chose the path of ambition. She wrote James a note, short and polite. She did not explain the depth of her feelings, nor the pain she felt leaving him behind. She left quietly, hoping he would understand. At first, her new life seemed perfect. The apartment was large and elegant, the office filled with people who admired her talents. She dined at expensive restaurants, traveled to exotic cities, and wore clothes that once only existed in her dreams. But inside, Emma felt something she couldn't explain, a hollow, gnawing emptiness. Time passed. James moved on. He met someone who loved him for who he was, without wealth or status being a factor. Emma watched from afar, realizing too late that she had left behind a love that could never be replaced by money or comfort. Even surrounded by luxury, she could feel the absence of warmth, laughter, and trust. Parties felt empty, conversations felt shallow. The city lights outside her window felt cold. Every achievement reminded her of what she had lost. Emma tried to distract herself. She met new people, attended social events, and chased recognition. Yet the satisfaction never lasted. She began to see the truth. Money could buy comfort, luxury, and admiration, but it could not buy the heart she had abandoned. She reflected on her choice late at night, sitting alone on her balcony. The wind carried the distant sounds of life, laughter, and families together. Emma realized that the life she had chosen came at a cost too great to measure. She remembered James's kindness, the small moments of love, the quiet evenings spent dreaming together. That love was real, grounding, and nurturing. What she had chased instead, status, wealth, and admiration, could never provide what she truly needed. Emma's life became a series of lessons. She saw how ambition, when unchecked by heart, can lead to regret. She understood that happiness is not found in possessions, but in relationships, trust, and genuine connection. Years went by. Emma succeeded professionally, yet the success felt hollow. She had everything she wanted, yet the one thing that mattered most, true love, was gone. She realized that some opportunities are priceless and should never be traded for temporary comfort or wealth. The moral of Emma's story is simple, yet profound. Life is full of choices, and the value of love, loyalty, and trust is beyond measure. Money can buy luxury, but it cannot buy warmth, connection, or the heart of someone who truly loves you. So remember this. Chasing wealth over what truly matters can lead to regret. Cherish the people who care for you, nurture relationships that feed your soul, and value kindness over comfort. When faced with difficult decisions, pause, reflect, and ask yourself what you will value in the years to come. Emma's story is a warning
but also a lesson of hope. Even if we make mistakes, reflection teaches us the value of what we have and what we have lost. Choose wisely. Choose love, trust, and integrity. Money can buy comfort, but it can't buy the heart you let go. If this story moved you, remember to cherish the people around you. Life is short, and happiness is not measured by wealth, but the love and values you carry. Subscribe to Final Lesson for more stories that inspire, teach, and leave a lasting impression.